Hey, y'all, I'm covering the answers for review two for exam two. And I'm just going to start with, we've got Lori. Remember, this used to be an old exam. Lori opened a new checking account by depositing $476. She then paid her bills. Electricity was $82, water $35, and internet $58. Then she received a check from tutoring and deposited $218 into her new account. How much money does Lori have in her account now? So, well, she starts off with $476 that she deposited. And remember, 476 is positive. Then she paid her bills. So she paid which bills? She paid electricity. Actually, let's put this up here. So she had a deposit. And then we're going to minus electricity. These are her bills. Electricity, water, and internet. And then she received a check from tutoring and deposited $218. Deposit means we're going to add the deposit. Okay. So if you instead did 476 minus electricity, minus water, minus internet, that means you went ahead and distributed it. So I'm going to do it this way just to make sure that I cover both ways. 82 plus 35 plus 58. And then she received the deposit. So that's plus 218. All right. I don't have a calculator. That's okay. So I've got 476. I'm going to take care of the parenthesis first. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17. And then plus 218. Oh, use my phone. Sorry, y'all. I'll make multiple videos for you. Okay, it's 476 minus 175 plus 218. It's 519. So the answer is the question. Well, let's find out what the question was. How much money does Lori have in her account now? Lori has, don't forget your dollar sign, $519. All righty. Let's go to the second one. Number 2 is negative 21 minus 17 minus negative 9. All right, I have to take care of the multiplication here first. So I'm just going to bring down the negative 21 minus 17. Negative times negative is a positive 9. Remember, there's an assumed 1 out here. So now we're subtracting and we've got addition. So let's start with the first two, because remember, in order of operations, does the addition and subtraction, it's always who comes first from left to right. So negative 21 and negative 17, the signs are the same, so we add them and maintain the common sign. I'm going to bring down the plus 9. The signs are different, so we're going to subtract and take the sign of the largest number. There was no question to this. It was just a mathematical question, so you can just answer it like that. Let's go to number 3. And that was negative 1. Let's see. Minus negative 4. Minus 2 minus negative 5. Okay. So we're going to start with the parentheses. And I want to go ahead and get rid of this one by going negative 1. Just get rid of that outside parenthesis, negative 1. My negative times a negative is a positive 4. Bring down my minus. I'm going to keep this parenthesis. Bring down the 2 minus negative 5. The signs are negative, negative, so it's plus 5. We have to continue working inside the parenthesis. Negative 1 plus 4 minus 5, 6, 7. You're just going to add them. Working from left to right, since it's addition and subtraction, the signs are different. We're going to subtract and take the sign of the larger number. 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 is positive, so 3 is positive. Bring down the minus 7. Signs are different, so we're going to subtract and take the sign of the larger number. 7 minus 3 is 4, and 7 has a negative and is the larger number, so the answer is negative 4. All right, let's do one more, finish up this first page. And this one is about J.O. and Cain. And J.O. and Cain went to the Grand Canyon. Cain chose to ride a donkey down the 6,093 feet to the bottom of the canyon. And J.O. took a hot air balloon ride 3,136 feet in the air above the rim, directly above Cain's mule. If J.O. drops his phone, how far did it fall to hit Cain's donkey? And it says, draw a picture if you need to see what this looks like. I promise you, if you draw a picture of this, it is so easy to figure out. All right. So, and also understand that rim, I know that threw one person off. So if rim throws you off, think of it as rim is just the rim of the Grand Canyon. Just like rim for perimeter, it's the rim of the rectangle or rim of the triangle. Okay. So I'm going to draw my picture. Here is the Grand Canyon, and there's water down here. And we have J.O. and Cain are up here. Gotta wear cowboy hats because they're at the Grand Canyon. All right. Now, it says Cain chose to ride a donkey down the 6,093 feet. So from right here at the rim, Cain is going down 6,093 feet. J.O. is taking a hot air balloon and is same positioning, is going up in the hot air balloon 3,136 feet. And it says if J.O., who's up here in the hot air balloon, if he drops his cell phone, how far did it fall to hit Cain's donkey down here? I can't draw donkeys. So you can easily see that the distance from here to here is 3,136. The distance from here to here is 6,093. All we need to do is add these two to find out the distance the cell phone fell from the hot air balloon all the way down to the donkey. Okay, so 3,136 plus 6,093. With 9,229, and this is feet. So was it J.O.'s phone fell, don't forget your unit, 9,229, and the unit is feet. That is the answer. All right, there's one more on this page, and that is 1 minus 1 times 16 divided by 4 times 5 minus 5. Okay, order of operations. PEMDAS. MD, multiply divide, is from left to right. We can't do any subtractions. If you just 0, you'll get everything as 0. You can't do that. We're coming across, we've got subtraction, multiplication, division, multiplication, subtraction. So we're going to start off with the multiplication first. So 1, I'm bringing down this first 1. 1 times 16 is 16. Negative times the positive is a negative. I'm going to bring down everything else. Okay, left to right, I'm going to have to start with the division. I can't go to subtraction first. So I'm going to again bring down that 1. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Negative divided by positive is a negative. I'm going to bring down everything else. Okay, left to right, subtraction, we're going to have to do multiplication first. So again, bringing down that 1. 4 times 5 is 20. Negative times a positive is a negative. Bring down the negative 5. All right, now we are just down to subtractions. So again, left to right, since addition subtraction is from left to right, 1 minus 20 would be, the signs are different, so we subtract and take the sign of the larger number, which is 20, bringing down the negative 5. The signs are the same, so we add and keep the common sign. 19, 21, 24. All right, that is page 1 for the review. See you in the next video.